Welcome to Ridiculous Visuals. I'm Mr. Ridiculous, aka Los, and today we got another banger. Let's get straight to it. The intro you just watched was made possible because of someone who commented on one of my videos. Shout out to you, my guy. Now let's get straight to it. This pack was made for logos and text, but who's to say it can't be used for other things, like freeze frames, etc. This is gonna be a quick and simple video. If you haven't already, go down to the description and click the download link for the free presets. Once you have these presets installed and ready to go, bring in your logo or text and apply the presets. Try different presets to see which one fits the style you're going for. As you can see, each preset is animated in and out. It's as simple as that. You're done. If you're using the animation presets on text like I did in the intro, just line your text up to match the words in your audio and drag the presets on each text layer. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment below and I will do my best to answer all of them. That being said, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos and free presets. Thanks for watching. I'm out.